How not to turn the benefits of berries and fruits into harm. Every summer is a celebration for our belly. In the garden you can find sweet, sour, juicy, tasty and low-calorie fruits. What else can a person who cares about his figure dream about? But even in all this beauty you can find more than one pitfall. How not to turn all these delicious vitamins into harmful substances for the body? It is important to avoid this, because our stomach is a muscle, and it expands in a very rapid way. Enough of a couple of fairly plentiful meals in a row, and its size increases several times. Our body is configured to store energy in the form of fats, because humanity has been in a state of wild hunger for millions of years. Overeating is a process that provokes the accumulation of body fat, so in order to create reserves, our body is not against overeating, but rather for it. Desserts made from berries or fruits look delicious, bright and attractive. It is difficult to refuse them even to the most well-fed person. As the saying goes, any food can be turned from a drug into a poison. Eat berries, fruits, and vegetables to improve your health, but don't forget the measure that matters everywhere. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.